All right, so let me quickly take you through the Friday's trade which happened, and it was a very tragic day for me as market had moved. That it was a Friday, and Bank Nifty, Nifty as well as Finnifty, all three of them had moved equal to the premium amount or the premium value that it had. Just like Bank Nifty moved more than double for Friday. So from 10:22 till 15:21, there was a swing of 1,000 points in Bank Nifty. Okay. So the main problem is that my system ended up making some very small losses, and the spike trade system that I had developed this on this particular day had given a loss for me. Now, why did it give loss? Because as I said that in the direction of the spike, suppose this was the direction of the spike, and then it cooled down, right? It cooled down like little bit here. So I made an entry here, and then it spiked again. Again it cooled down here. I took another entry here, another spike here. Again it cooled down here. I took an entry, another spike here. So for three different times, my system actually triggered a spike trade, and all the three different times the market actually gave a spike, settled, and then again gave a spike. The spike was not continuous for that particular day. All right, so I ended up with a loss of 16,336 rupees. That is close to 0.8% on my capital. So you can see the Monday's trade has begun, and I have already taken entry, but I don't know why it is not showing here. So let me show you some live trade. All right, so it's not opening. So let's give it some time, and let's see how it ends up today. So Monday I'm expecting a trending day and trending up move, but nothing for me to expect anymore, as like on Friday I had taken a major beating, a big loss, a considerably big loss after a very long time. So so yeah, I'll be back with Monday's report towards end of day. I think I'll be traveling, so I might not be able to update it on time, but I'll still try. So till that time, take care. Bye bye.